Hi everyone! So in this video we're going to be going over the sleeve treatment that I did for this winter bishop. Yeah, isn't it exciting? I've got a helper. So for the bottom of that sleeve you will find in your kit, this is going along with the winter bishop kit that I have, but really you could use this for any bishop that you're working on if you're attaching some lace or whatever. The thing about sleeves when it comes to bishops, if you have a sleeve where you want it to be some smocking on it or really any treatment, okay, I think that it's best to do the sleeve treatments first. So even if you have like a half sleeve, you know, or all the way to the wrist, or even an angel sleeve, I think it's best to do all of your sleeve treatments first. So if you want, it kind of in my opinion goes in this order. If you want smocking on that sleeve, I would go ahead and do the smocking first. And then if you want so if you want smocking, you do that first, and then whatever way you want to hem that sleeve, do that next. So you will put your sleeve through your smocking pleater, and then you will make sure to pull out, and you can do both sleeves right after the next. So you don't have to rethread your needles or anything. Just send one sleeve through and then send the next sleeve through. It works beautifully. Then make sure to pull out enough thread so you can take that sleeve and lay it completely flat again, alright? Because the next thing I think, at least in the order of operations you should go, is you should first do your smocking and then do your sleeve treatments. We're running out of things to drop, Daisy. So whatever sleeve treatment you want, whether that's you're just going to self-hem it and you're just going to fold it up twice and, you know, either hem it by hand or run it through your machine, or if you want to put some piping on it and do like a little sleeve band, that's all well and dandy. Oh my god, these videos. Why does anybody watch these videos, Daisy? Or if you want to put some lace on it, which is the route that we did in this winter bishop. So if you want to put some lace on it, the lace that we're attaching has entredeaux on one side. Can I help you? The lace that we're attaching has entredeaux on one side. So what I did is I did 2 rows of straight stitches. The first row kind of goes right into the ditch of that entredeaux. And then the second row goes about 1/16 of an inch away from that first row. And then I trimmed up really close to that second row, alright? Then I ran it through my machine on a zigzag. If you were just doing like a lace and there's no entredeaux side or anything like that, if you're just doing a lace, then you would put your lace right sides together. It's basically attaching lace to flat fabric, right? And I've got a whole video on how to do that. You would put, Daisy, this is exciting stuff. You would put your lace right sides together with your fabric and put the lace about 1/4 of an inch off from the raw edge of your fabric, and then you would use a zigzag, and the zigzag would just magically roll everything together. It's like it's just a cool little technique there. So I think that kind of covers everything of how to finish the sleeve. That's how we finish the sleeve for this winter bishop. If you have any questions, of course, put them in the comments below. I know I will do my best to answer them. And as always, we appreciate y'all for watching, and we hope to catch y'all next time.